Hey guys, I'm going to go over the single leg box jump. This is a great single leg exercise to really develop not only glute strength, but explosiveness of the hips. I'm going to forewarn you, I'm not great at these. That's why I've been supplementing these in a lot of my training. So with this, you'll need a box. You can also use some pads or maybe some weight plates. If you're new to this, start small, okay? Maybe a 4 or 6 inch box, build your way up. If you have a lot of explosiveness, kudos to you. You're going to see the benefit of it there. So what you'll do is you want to start anywhere from 12 to 24 inches from the box. You can see I built up the floor here. And with you may also notice that one leg is a little bit more explosive than the other. I'm a golfer, so this is my front leg. I jump and extend off this leg. So this tends to be the stronger leg, the right leg. I tend to actually only have to use a pad for that leg. I'm not as explosive off that. So what you'll do is starting on one foot, okay? And we'll be right here, okay? And then use a runner stance, keeping the torso relatively upright. Okay, you'll rock back, and then from here, jumping and extending and landing with both feet on the box at the same time. So as at full speed, it looks like this. So make sure you repeat on both sides. As I said, I'm not as explosive on my right leg as my left, so I tend to do it at a lower height, still gets the benefit out of it, and that is the single leg box jump.